In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change add profile picture in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your profile photo so it appears in Outlook and across your Microsoft apps. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Look to the very top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you to the Account Information page, which is where Outlook keeps your account settings. Here, you'll see your current profile picture if you already have one, or a placeholder icon if you don't. Right beneath that image or icon, click the Change button. That's the control that launches the profile photo editor for your account. When you click Change, Outlook will open your default web browser. Don't worry, this is expected. The profile photo you set here is tied to your Microsoft account, so the change is made online and then synced back to Outlook. Once the page loads, click your profile picture again on the website. That opens the Change Photo window where you can make the update. In the Change Photo window, choose Upload a new photo or select Change Photo, depending on what you see. Both options lead you to pick a new image from your device. When the file picker opens, browse to the photo you want to use. For best results, choose a clear, well-lit headshot with your face centered. Square or nearly square images crop cleanly, and standard formats like JPG or PNG work well. If you're using a work account, consider your organization's photo guidelines. After you select the image, you'll see simple tools to adjust how it appears. Use the on-screen controls to resize so your face fills the frame comfortably, and rotate if the picture is sideways. Take a moment to line it up so it looks natural. Aim for eyes around the upper third of the frame and leave a little space above your head. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Your change is now stored with your account. It may take a few minutes for the new image to update everywhere, so if you don't see it in Outlook immediately, give it a bit of time. You can return to the File tab in Outlook to confirm the picture has been refreshed, and it will also appear in places like your email header and contact card once it syncs. That's all it takes to change or add your profile picture in Outlook. Thanks for watching.